Okay, guys, so don't let anybody cajole you into believing that true love does not exist, or make you believe that there's nobody out there for you, because we all have someone out there waiting for us. So, guys, what am I talking about today? I'm talking about Junior Pope, who took out his time to celebrate his beautiful wife, who has given him three lovely kids, three boys at that. You know, Igbo men, they really love boys. When it has to do with boys, for Igbo men, they are in. And this lady did not just give him one or two, rather she gave him three. And guys, so he really made it rain on her. Like he was just showering love, appreciation, and everything. Okay, guys, let me calm down and allow you to watch the video. You can imagine, guys, he actually started with dollar. When his dollar finished, he entered naira. But guys, guess what? His wife is actually a bad twerker. But at the end of the day, that's not what we're talking about. I just want to wish her a very long life, and at the same time, I pray that their marriage continue to prosper. I don't pray for it to crash. Okay, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to my channel for more celebrity news. Thank you.